What's up YouTube, Pollina Racing here. Today I'm gonna be changing the oil gasket on my Bmw right there. It's been leaking oil a couple of days now, so I'm gonna be changing that today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I never done it before, so hopefully I don't mess up, but let's do it. I'm not scared to do some mechanic work, you know. So if you heard that noise, it's my little boy right there on the i8, of course, German. So let's start with the Bmw gasket.
Seconds later.
Okay, so first thing, obviously, open the hood. Then I'm gonna be removing this part right here, just to have more space. Then I'm gonna be taking out this bolt. I only see 3 of them, so hopefully that's all I have to take out. I also gonna be moving this out of my way so I can have more space to work. And I'm gonna take out this cover. You just make a little force on it and it should come right out. There we go.
A few moments later.
Okay, so right now I remove the part that was here. I remove the whole intake so I can have more space, and I take this out. This is easy, just this part right here and another one right here. Just pull it up and it's gonna come out easily. Just leave it to the side. I just wanna have space so I can take this out and then reach the screw, the bolt that is right here.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this thing is something easy to change if you have the right tools. With my tools, it's impossible. So I'm gonna keep trying to see if I can change it. If not, I have to go and buy some new tools that I need to reach the last one. It's right there. We'll see how it goes, guys. I'll let you know.
Day 2.
What's up, guys? So as you can see, today is day 2 of the changing the gasket of my M55. No, it doesn't take 2 days to do it. Just I don't have the right tool to do it, so I stopped by yesterday, and this morning I went to AutoZone and buy some tools that I need. So here we are again. I got everything. I just need to take out that bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it. That one right there. I cannot reach to that because I don't want to take out the whole intake manifold just for one bolt. So I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna figure this out.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So we finally take it out. It's not that easy. I'm gonna tell you the clue, okay? I'm gonna show you everything I have to take out just this part right here. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so to reach this bolt that was here, it was too close to the manifold, so you have to get the manifold loose. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts you have to get loose in order so you can have, you know, more space to reach that bolt over here. It's not like the M54. The M54, the intake manifold is a lot bigger, so you have more space. You can squeeze a tool through here and you don't have to take out the manifold. But the M55 engine, you have to take out, not take out, you know, just lose the manifold so you can reach that bolt over here. Okay, so in order to take out all the bolts from the manifold, you have to take out this right here. There's a cover where the cabin filters are. So you have to take out the cabin filters. You have to take out this like plastic, hard plastic. There's just one bolt here, one bolt over here, and then you have to take out the stabilizer, I think it is, I'm not sure. So you can take out the rear engine cover. If not, you're not going to be able to reach the last two bolts over here on the intake manifold. So we got it, boys. There it is. We're going to put the new one now.
Later.
Okay, so right now I already put the oil filter housing gasket back on. I put the bolts already, this one right here, this one, and the other one on the back of the manifold. And now I'm just putting back all the bolts from the manifold. Okay, so I put everything back together again. As you can see, I put the intake. The intake manifold is on. Obviously the oil filter housing is on. I put all this stuff together again, and the hard plastic that I take off, the cabin filter are on again. So there is, guys, everything is on. There's no more leaks. I turned it on already. Everything seems to be working fine. So yeah, the bad boy is about to hit the street again, finally. Okay, so as you can see, this is the N55 engine. Okay, it's not the N54. So to change the oil filter housing gasket, you have to take out the intake manifold, or at least get it loose so you can move it and have more space to reach that bolt right there. Because the intake manifold, the N54, is a little bigger, so you have more space to put a tools in there. But in this one, you have to take it out. There's no way you can do it without taking out the intake manifold. If anyone does it and do it without taking out the manifold, please let me know how. I really appreciate it, but I don't think it's possible. You have to take it out. So there it is, guys. Make sure to subscribe. A lot of videos are coming out. Now I'm gonna buy the JB4, all the performance stuff that I'm gonna be putting on this car exhaust. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. I'm gonna be uploading video every Saturday. So yeah, see you later. Have a great day.